Welcome to The Explainer. Right now, we're diving into an absolute game changer in enterprise tech, how Google Cloud is taking static data and turning it into real-time action using Agentic AI. Look, for corporate executives, the promise of AI has been massive, like billions of dollars massive, but the actual execution, it often falls flat. Today, we're going to explore exactly how to finally bridge that gap.
Connecting an LLM to your secure proprietary databases without violating security policies is the hardest engineering problem in IT today. And wow, does that hit the nail on the head. You want the insane efficiency of autonomous AI, right? But one wrong move with your financial general ledger, and you're looking at a catastrophic breach or a total compliance nightmare. Bridging this gap between secure core systems and intelligent agents is absolutely the ultimate challenge right now.
To break this all down, we're going to hit the AI reality gap, introduce secure agentic AI, and then see how it supercharges financial ops, empowers executive strategy, and multiplies engineering efficiency before finally checking out the architecture of action.
All right, part one, the AI reality gap.
You know the drill. You see an AI demo, and it's basically a glorified search engine, right? It gives you a surface-level text answer, which is fine, but it doesn't actually do the work. What enterprises actually need is Agentic AI. We're talking about autonomous systems that don't need human handholding to execute multi-step, highly complex business workflows.
But here's the catch, and it's a big one. Your security and database teams, they're absolutely terrified of just plugging a large language model straight into your mission-critical infrastructure. And honestly, they should be. We're talking real fears of prompt injection, data exfiltration, or just poorly optimized AI agents triggering connection storms that bring production databases to a grinding halt. For a C-level executive, these aren't just annoying IT complaints. They're literal threats to your revenue, your reputation, and your operational uptime.
So, how do we actually fix this? That brings us to Section 2, Introducing Secure Agentic AI. Google's Finance AI demo cracks this exact code using a highly secure integration framework. When we say Agentic AI here, we mean advanced models securely tethered via the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, to act on real-time business data across completely disconnected enterprise systems. The takeaway, it's not about letting an AI guess. It's about giving models, like Gemini Enterprise, strictly guarded API pathways so they can interact safely with your live data in a predictable, auditable way.
Let's see this in the wild. Section 3, Supercharging Financial Operations.
Picture a FinOps forensic auditor whose job is to clear a massive approval queue for corporate expenses. Instead of manually digging, they use natural language, and the agent instantly audits pending transactions directly against a live Oracle database. Boom. It immediately flags glaring anomalies, like, say, someone trying to expense 50 Target gift cards under client appreciation, or sneaking a personal relocation into the travel budget. No way.
The entire workflow flips. The AI audits the queue, it flags the anomalies, and the auditor just commands a hold. But here's the real magic. The AI doesn't just draft an email for a human to review later. It autonomously executes the authorized update statements in the database, in real time, to halt the fraud right in its tracks.
And it does all of that in 10 seconds. Seriously, think about that scale for a second. By securely tethering the AI, we've literally just turned a multi-minute, highly manual audit process into a 10-second conversation. Multiply that time savings across thousands of transactions in your global operations department. That is immediate, hard ROI.
Stepping up to the top level, Section 4, Empowering Executive Strategy.
At the C-suite level, this technology becomes an incredible financial deep dive hub tailored for high-stakes decisions. Normally, getting a global heat map means submitting a ticket to a data team and waiting days. Here, by replicating data to BigQuery, the system generates pixel-perfect dashboards instantly. You immediately see nearly $40 million flowing through the US versus $4 million in Brazil just by asking.
And it goes way deeper than just mapping. It instantly compares budgeted caps against actual spend, pulling out insights that usually get buried in spreadsheets. It shows you immediately that, sure, your software budget is fine, but travel is pacing $10 million over its $25 million cap. You get that $35 million actual spend figure instantly, without waiting for a single custom report.
If you're answerable to the board or investors, this predictive capability is essentially a superpower.
By analyzing the last 24 months of historical expense data, it accurately forecasts financial spend for the next 2 quarters. You actually get the agility to pivot your strategy way before a multi-million-dollar budget overrun ever happens.
All right, on to Section 5, multiplying engineering efficiency.
Agentic AI isn't just for finance. It's a massive force multiplier for your technical leaders, too. Imagine the CFO complains an app is slow. Instead of highly paid engineers frantically opening complex monitoring tools, the AI is continuously streaming live telemetry. Active database sessions, invalid system objects, table space capacity, top resource-consuming SQL statements. It's essentially acting as an always-on guardian for your systems. The old method was literally hunting for bottlenecks manually, a huge drain on resources. Now, engineers just use natural language queries. The AI acts as an instant L1 and L2 support engineer, generating SQL execution explain plans immediately. That means your most expensive, highly skilled talent skips the manual triaging and focuses 100% on the actual root cause.
Finally, Section 6, the architecture of action.
Let's peek under the hood and see how this works without breaking those strict executive security policies. Data securely flows from the proprietary database, like Oracle, into analytical layers like BigQuery, over to Looker for visualizations, and out to the Maps API for rendering. The secret sauce here is that this entire pipeline is orchestrated by structured MCP tool calling. We are completely avoiding fragile prompt engineering here. The AI is strictly bound to predefined, safe pathways.
From an infrastructure standpoint, the whole backend is highly modular and deployed via Google Cloud Run. It's a fast API Python backend, containerized for serverless execution. And for the business, serverless means you only pay for exactly what you use, and being containerized gives you infinite scalability with zero downtime. As you grow, your agentic AI scales seamlessly right alongside you.
So I want to leave you with a question to take back to your boardroom. What could your enterprise achieve with an AI that doesn't just answer questions, but securely acts across your most vital proprietary data? Once you finally bridge that AI reality gap, the true art of the possible is completely unlocked. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer. Now it's time to go build.